I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from Bitget to OKX. Hello and welcome to Crypto with Antoniette. On this channel, we share simple crypto lessons for anyone starting out. So if that sounds good, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends so that they can also benefit. So let's proceed. First you're going to click to your profile and then click on assets. And as you can see, we have 136.53 USDT. The funds are in the spot section. Okay, so let's proceed to withdraw. Click on the withdraw button. From your list of cryptocurrency assets, select the crypto that you want to withdraw. For us, we are going to withdraw USDT. On this section, you can see all your assets. As you can see, I have RDAC, Pi, and DMR. On-chain withdrawal is when you're withdrawing from one exchange to another. And internal withdrawal is when you want to send crypto to a fellow Bitget user. You can use their phone number, email, or your ID, which is a number which you'll find in your profile. Since we are withdrawing the USDT from Bitget to OKX, we are going to select on-chain withdrawal. Each chain has different fee. As you can see, Bitget has 0 fee for the BSC chain, but unfortunately OKX doesn't have that chain. Next is the Ton chain. As you can see, it has its fee, and so on. All the chains have their specific and different fees. So you are going to use Aptos, which has the cheapest fees. Next, we need to paste the withdrawal address. This means that we'll go to the OKX or the receiving exchange and copy the deposit address. So here we are logged in our OKX wallet. We are going to click on deposit, and as you can see, we have 0 balance. You'll see it will change when you deposit. Now we are going to select our crypto, which is USDT, and the chain Aptos. Make sure that the crypto you are withdrawing from Bitget matches the crypto that you select on OKX wherever you want to deposit. Also, the chain from which you withdraw crypto from Bitget should match the chain for the deposit address on OKX. Once that is done, you can copy and paste it on Bitget, then proceed with the withdrawal. All our assets have reflected. Also take note that on Bitget there is a minimum withdrawal limit of 9 USDT on the Aptos chain. So make sure to have more than 9 USDT. We are going to withdraw everything and you will be charged 0.03 USDT for the fee. Next is to confirm if that's the correct withdrawal address and the chain, also the amount, before proceeding with the withdrawal. Okay, all good, so let's proceed with the withdrawal. Next, we are going to fill in our FAD password, which is a special FAD that you set to protect your assets. It's not the same as your login password. Once you fill in that, you are going to receive a code from the email and also fill in the code on your Authenticator app. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT from Bitget to OKX. You can check all the details of the transactions on this page. You can see the amount you have withdrawn, the network, the address, the time, the date. Yes. So now let's go to OKX and see if the money has been successfully deposited. Oh, by the way, also when you refresh your Bitget page, you'll notice that the money has been deducted. So let's go and refresh the OKX page to see if the money has been credited there. Yay, our USDT are safe and in OKX wallet. So that's how you withdraw crypto from Bitget to OKX. If you learned from this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends so that they can know how to withdraw crypto from one exchange to another. Until next time, keep watching my YouTube videos to learn more.